little stop and go, gets to the basket. Isaiah again.
So you don't stand any chance whatsoever.
Isaiah the pull-up this time. Knocks down a three. Crowder. Avery. That one goes. Thomas tries it again on the baseline. And late whistle is going to get him to the line. Misses the shot. Thomas. Crowder again running the floor for two. Oh, that was a tough angle.
What a tough shot.
Isaiah in the paint. Gets hammered.
Shots are killing him.
Thomas hangs in the air. Can't kiss it home. Late whistle. Isaiah Turner, fifth rebound for Crowder in the half. Pull up three, Isaiah from the corner.
Well, they are now what? They're shooting over
6 of 10.
50%.
Isaiah will get two at the line.
Great play.
All right, Kyle. Kind of a turnover.
I'm making some threes.
Thomas gets it back. Little hesitation move, takes it in the paint. Able to draw the foul.
That's the game here.
Isaiah takes it right to the basket. Crowder in the passing lane. Anthony back on defense. Bounce pass Thomas for two. Avery. Smart with the miss. Over to Thomas. Pull up underneath. Crowder for two.
Heads up play by Thomas.
Isaiah.
Fast break again against the retreating slow defense. Been wide open.
Pull up Isaiah. Isaiah going to get himself to the free throw line. Thomas has got it. Isaiah in a hurry. Takes it to the basket for two. Does so to Turner, defended by Thomas, who has 5 fouls. Crowder. Thomas. Isaiah in the paint, hesitates. Salinger for two.
Mike here with Isaiah Thomas. Isaiah, you get asked about this all the time, but where does this team find the resolve to keep coming back, even when you're not playing well, to win games like this?
We just never quit. We always think there's a chance. We always know there's a chance. And this team is resilient, man. We never put our heads down. We keep fighting possession by possession, and we did it.
What were you seeing in the first half? The three-point shots weren't going, shot only about 20% from three. What was happening in the first half, and how did you turn it around?
We didn't get stops. We didn't play defense. We weren't talking. We weren't engaged on the defensive end, so it made the offensive end a lot tougher. And I think in the second half, especially a little bit in the third quarter and a lot at the end of the fourth quarter, we were just so engaged. We were talking. We were helping each other out, and that got our offense going.
That last possession, that last score by Avery, I think the entire building thought the ball was going to you. What was that play about?
I was the decoy. I mean, like you said, I think everybody thinks the ball's going to me, and a follow didn't help off me, and it gave Avery an open lane to drive, and he had a hell of a layup.
All wins are important, but how important is this 13-game home winning streak to you guys protecting your home floor?
It's very important. We wanted to take advantage of this home stand and just continue to build confidence, and we know we owe it to these fans, man. They give us the energy, and they give us the excitement, and we try to give it back to them.
Thanks, Isaiah.
All right, thank you.
Mike?